Just the way I remember it. We're here in Japan, and we're about to hang some wallpaper. But let's see what it looks like at nighttime. Looks pretty good at nighttime. Konnichiwa. This may look like Japanese, but it's not. Those are the instructions. Read them and weep. That means paste it to the wall first, and not the paper.
Sharp knife, found to height, made in Japan. So you know it's good.
Make sure you get even coverage. You gotta be precise on this one. This is a precise job.
Can't take this guy anywhere.
Memories of terror.
Don't be there, go over the edge.
Paper ruin.
See, what's this something?
Left this in the trunk. You're a natural right collector. All the imperfections, and it's looking really good. How are you feeling about it so far?
Stressed.
It's just the way I remember it.
Beautiful.